Okay, this is my new deck I put on about 2 years ago, and it's already getting kind of gross. Kind of see, definitely needs a cleaning. It's really building up a lot of stuff here. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to power wash your deck. A lot of people have power washers, and some of you never used one, so I'm going to show you the basics of using a power washer and how well they can clean your property. Okay, first thing you want to do is connect your water source. So you need a hose, and there is a connection on the back of your power washer. Tighten it up nice and tight. Okay, so we have the water supply hooked up to it. The next thing, this is the wand. This is what you use to clean whatever you're cleaning. And there's 3 different tips you can put in it. And if you can see this right here, that's how you put the tips in. You got delicate, general, and maximum. Delicate would be like just what it says. If you're going around something delicate, you don't want to hurt something or destroy a soft piece of wood, that's what I would recommend. General is good for cleaning decks. Maximum would be if there was a spot on concrete, maybe, you'd use that to really slam it. But it's really focused, and it would take you forever to do your patio with the maximum. So general is the way to go. So you can see this tip right here. This is the general tip. And you just pull this back, you push it in, and let it go. And it's locked in. And you can actually turn this also, because the spray does come out kind of flat and wide. So depending on how you want it, you can kind of rotate it. If you want to take it off and change it, you pull this copper piece back, and it pops right out like that. Okay, so before you do anything else, you want to turn the water supply on, and we'll start up the engine. So this is a Troy-Bilt. These are pretty standard engines. They kind of all start the same way. So you have a choke, your on, off, and your gas supply, which you can turn on and off. So with a cold engine, you always want to pull the choke. Turn your gas on. It's very important that your gas is on. A lot of people can't start their engines because they thought the gas was on. And then you turn this to on, and it should be ready to go. Some people really struggle with starting an engine. So what you want to do, you want to feel where it catches. You don't want to pull it right from here, because you're going to pull it out. It's going to jerk. So stop right from where it catches and give it a nice yank. Okay, you want to let it run for like 30 seconds, and you push the choke in, and it should be running well. Sounds pretty good to me. Let's go wash the deck. Oh, the other thing, you should wear shoes because you can lose a toe. Okay, it's looking really good. I gotta finish my